Oh, friend. Down here and
Your fiancée should feel lucky I fancy her.
You northern savages dare to snatch women in daylight and beat people! You're in Aurelian! Call the guards!
Come on, let's see what they can do to me.
Let her go. Now!
Anyone else want to die?
Kale! Stop them! Yes, Your Majesty.
Who the hell did this?
No! Wait! There's Glad Mace nearby.
That was fast. Your Majesty. Seems like your magic's improved again. That wasn't me. It was someone else. This person's magic is on par with mine.
But you're the strongest mage in Averelian. There's someone even stronger than you?
Across all of Avrion, only a few have this kind of power. Either hidden masters I don't know about, or the Rose Knight.
The Rose Knight?
Come on, drink up and dance on!
Our noble heirs are not the match of northern barbarians. That's what I'm worrying about the most. But if all the noble heirs are like Lucien, I really can't trust them. Kyle!
Your Majesty. Go test them, all the noble heirs, see what their magic's like. I need to know before the arena. If they're useless,
I'll have to find other solutions.
Father.
My lord, you know Lucien. Please calm down.
How did I end up with such a disgrace to the family? Won't practice sword, won't learn magic, spends all his times in the brothel. Look at this. If the steward hadn't told me, I wouldn't even know your mother paid off your debt yesterday.
Do you even care about the Valwyn family's honor?
Blame me, my lord. Lucien's like his mum. Weak, not good at riding, not into magic. I know his mum passed away early, so I couldn't be too strict with him. That's why he turned out this way.
Father, everyone in the capital knows Lucien's rebellious and unruly. Mother warned him over and over, but he ignored.
Roland's right. You raised them both, but Roland turns out so outstanding. Lucien's the one to blame.
My lord, please calm down. It's Lucien's nature, and he can't change. I'll make sure to discipline him properly from now on.
Father, I've made progress in both swordsmanship and magic lately. Could you give me some guidance?
sure. If only you had even half of your brother's talent, I'd be pleased. But you're a good-for-nothing.
It's okay, don't take it to heart.
15 years of playing the loving mother, Morgana, must have been tough on you.
Mom, wake up! Don't leave me!
Lucien.
From now on, I'll be your mum. Come with me to the Duke's mansion.
Mother, why did you poison and kill Lucien's mother?
As long as his mother lives, your seat as the Duke's heir isn't secure. I won't let your position be threatened.
Then why bring Lucien back home?
I'll raise him to be a useless, worthless waste. So he'll never take your place as the heir. Understood?
You're so thorough, Mother. Morgana Lysardo, Prime Minister Lysardo's beloved daughter. Even if I told Father you killed my mom, he'd believe you, not me.
I have to wait. Don't worry, Mom. I'll avenge you myself one day.
The heirs of these nobles, truly one generation worse than the last.
Who's there? Who the hell are you? You dare storm into the Ravenscott Manor?
Lord Ravenscott's son, Cedric. Don't disappoint me like the others.
Pathetic.
Next. With that pitiful power, you think you can compete for the princess? Next. The elder son of the Valwyn family, Roland Valewyn.
Not bad.
Don't worry, Father. I'll win the magic arena.
Mother, why did you protect Lucien today? If Father just killed him, the problem be solved.
Your father won't. If I hadn't spoiled Lucien rotten, your inheritance wouldn't be so secure.
You're so smart, Mother, as always.
The arena is in a few days. Once you marry the princess, everything Valbin owns will be yours, and Lucien won't be able to take it.
Don't worry, Mother. The princess will be mine.
Good. Once you inherit the title, I won't have to play Lucien's loving mother anymore.
Who is there?
A-class.
Not completely useless.
Who the hell are you?
The spoiled brat from the Valwyn family? Testing him? Whatever.
It won't take long. Let's see how much of a trash he really is.
Lily, keep rubbing.
He didn't even notice. I can't believe you wouldn't notice this.
Not bad.
As expected, a prime example of trash.
Alright, you can leave now.
Starry energy crystal. A top seam crystal that amplifies magic power by 10 times? Such a treasure in the hands of a useless playboy. What a waste. A lesson for you. If your strength doesn't match what you have, it'll be taken from you.
I didn't say.
You could go.
Leave it, or you die.
Never thought you, a playboy, actually noticed me. Leave my crystal, and you can go. This crystal's a total waste in your hands.
So you choose to die.
In all of Aurelia, no one dares to challenge me like this.
Want the crystal? Take it yourself.
Lock of heaven!
You know magic?
No! Wait!
So, it was you! Leave the crystal, you live. Or you die here. Perfect.
Let's see the power of 10 times magic crystal!
What is that?
dare to steal my crystal?
Father, about this magic arena to choose my husband, please cancel it. If the noble Esters can't beat the mages of the Northern Lands, the throne of Avelion will be others.
Don't worry, we have plenty of talents. These nobles followed me in the founding war. Their heirs won't fail me either.
But father, you don't see it. The capital's worst wasteler is the second son of Duke Vaelwyn, Lucien. If even a Vaelwyn son is like this, the rest nobles won't be much better.
Your Highness.
Kyle, who did this to you?
Islith, go back to your chamber.
Yes, father.
What happened?
Your Majesty, Aurelian's future is secure.
Stop with the riddles, say it.
It's Duke Valvin's son.
Roland Valvin?
No! It's Lucius Valvin, the waster from the brothel. I even boosted my magic tenfold, and I still couldn't beat him.
That brat? Tenfold power? But you're the most powerful S-class mage in Aurelian.
Your Majesty, I don't know why he acts like a loser, but the fact is, he's a force to be reckoned with.
Aurelian is truly blessed. The little brat even fooled me. That old fox, Garrick, really raised a good boy.
But I can't figure out why he's hiding his power.
Doesn't matter. Pass it on. Every standout you assess tonight enters the magic arena. Both of Vaelwing's sons are in.
Royal decree. Duke Valvin, receive your orders.
Princess Islet's marriage is soon. Tomorrow in the Cathedral Square, the magic arena will be held to select her a husband. The winner will marry into the royal family. Thank you, Your Majesty, for your grace.
Roland, His Majesty gives you the chance. You must bring me pride.
Don't worry, Father.
Roland, give it your best tomorrow. Prove to the royal family you carried your father's bravery.
Duke Valvin, His Majesty demands both your sons enter the magic arena.
Sir, please don't. Lucian's lazy and magicless. Sending him will embarrass Aurelian in front of all the nations.
I'm only passing the message. I shall take my leave. Farewell, sir.
Come here.
Father, Lucian is weak and untrained in magic. If he goes, he'll...
Father, I'm not going.
It's boring and dangerous.
You really think I want you there to embarrass us? His Majesty wants you in, nobody can change that. So behave tomorrow, cross the king, I'll break your legs.
Got it.
Lucien, don't embarrass your father tomorrow.
Sure, Mother.
What's the old king thinking? Why make me a trash as join such an important magic arena? Whatever, I'll see how it goes.
All arise! Everyone, magic is the foundation of our kingdom. Today, all of Overion's finest stand gathered. This arena will decide a worthy husband for Princess Isleth. First round begins! Cedric Ravenshardt versus Lucien Vaelwyn!
Well, luck's on my side. You can't stop it.
Garrick, tell your son to surrender now! If my son breaks him, don't say I didn't warn you!
Lucien, don't worry. I've arranged for the best healer for you.
Mother, you're too kind to me. It's fine, I'll just surrender if things get bad.
No surrender! We can't take this shame! Today, you fight to the death! Right here in the arena!
Loser! Get on your knees and give up now! Maybe I'll spare your pathetic life.
What are you waiting for? Get up there! Last a full 15 minutes!
Alright, then I'll just go up and have some fun.
Your Highness, look at him.
What's going on there?
Your Majesty, let's keep an eye on him a bit longer.
Such trash. Scared to even stand up, huh?
The Prince Condent is just a title, no real power. If I reveal my power now, all my efforts are wasted.
Hey, trash! What are you looking at? Father! Get up! You damn brat!
Why isn't he fighting back?
Garrick, your son's running away. It looks so familiar.
Could it be?
Don't you dare! I surrender! Who's that? King of Averelion! Why did you start the magic arena without us?
As expected, they're here.
Such an important event for the princess's choice of husband. How could we miss this? That would be so rude.
These northern barbarians think they can marry our princess? Not a chance!
Get out of Averelion!
This husband selection arena doesn't say it's just for Aurarians. So why can't we compete? You scared or something?
King of Aurelion, if you're scared, just surrender the princess to us. We'll leave right away.
A measly little nation! How dare you be so defiant!
Watch your tongue!
Keep your dogs in check. If he draws on us, are you ready for a three-kingdom war?
You've waged war against Averelion for years, slaughtering countless innocents! Fine, then let's war!
Fine by me. Aurelion has rich lands. We'll split your kingdom between us.
I'd love to see you try. You against our alliance? You won't stand a chance.
They are allied, Your Majesty. They came for the arena to cover. Their real plan is war. Lucian, can he handle them? He should be able to, Your Majesty.
You came from afar! How could Aurelion refuse? Today, in this arena, we'll show you who's really in charge! Aurelion's trash! Who wants to die first? I'll teach you a lesson!
You're not his match.
You don't know crap! Barbarian Scots insulting Aurelion! Go to hell! Get him!
He can cast both fire and wind magic at the same time.
Of course. My son isn't like that, Lucian. He's got real talent.
So this is the mage you brag about. All show and no harm.
What happened? He's unharmed.
Your Majesty, his magical armor not only deflects casts, but also absorbs magic.
My son! So is this all you got? You'd better surrender now. I'll go!
Tristan is a B-class mage. No one can resist his wind magic.
None of you can even fight! Who's next?
Sure enough, you mages in Aurelion were born to rot at my feet. A pack of failures.
Why isn't Luciano stepping up yet?
Today, whoever best Prince Bjorn wins a king's ransom. 10,000 in gold, 1,000 vaults of the finest silk, 100 chests of rare treasure,
If even a B-class mage can't beat him, what's the point of us going up?
Even such reward can't get him to step up. What is he waiting for? Go. Don't embarrass Avalion.
My son, it's your time to shine!
Roland Bailman, ready to challenge!
So, you're the most powerful mage among them.
To insult Avarelion is to invite death! Useless cuss! Who's next to die?
These filthy barbarians! How dare they mock us on our own soil!
What exactly does he want?
Back when Lucian's mother was alive, Lucian was the capital's famous magical prodigy. But now, look at him. What a waste.
I see now, Your Majesty. It isn't the gold he's after, it's true authority.
True authority?
Lucian lost his mother early. He's been hiding his power, waiting for a chance. The Prince Consort is just a hollow title. Only real power can free him from Morgana and reveal the truth about his mother.
Power, then!
He should have just said so. Today's victor shall be named Grand Mage of the Kingdom, granted lands, a seat on the Royal Council, and command of Royal Guard and Mage Corps.
That's even more powerful than my father.
He's panicking. The King of Ararian is rattled. Offer all the rewards you want, they won't make it out alive. Not a soul in this arena is fit to shine Biarg's shoots.
Send them all! I'll gut every single one of them!
Your Majesty, do you stand by your word?
My word is law.
Well then. I guess it's my turn to play.
Father, Lucian's reputation is no secret. Sending him out there is an insult to the crown. It'll only heap more shame upon Aurelian.
Easy, Your Highness. Lucian could pull off a surprise.
A surprise? From him? Don't be absurd, Kale.
Have you lost your senses? Get back!
Don't worry, Father. I won't lose. Isn't this the worst wastler in Aurelian? Out of champions already. And you send this trash! Pathetic!
Lucian's so desperate to rise, he's gone insane, huh?
Lucian, get down! Don't embarrass Aurelian!
Another Valwen brat?
Come on.
You really think you can challenge me?
He touched it!
How's that possible?
So, is this all you've got?
No one's ever slipped away from Prince Bjorgen's Thunderhammer! Is this kid lucky or something? You...
For your glory, my king.
Lucian is amazing! Ha! That's my son!
hurry, free for a limited time. Click the link to watch the full series.